Folks, welcome back. Hope you're just snuggled up at home on your Saturday evening. What else can you do, right? I mean, it's just one of those nights. Winter storm, we're about 2/3 of the way through it. Yes, we have more to go. It's been a quiet evening, and a good chunk of the mid to late afternoon hours are pretty quiet as well, with not a whole lot going on, but it is filtering back in now, and we've got a freezing rain issue. We talked about yesterday how we'd have snow initially late last night, early this morning, a lot of sleet through a lot of the day, and then the freezing rain would come last here around Memphis and Shelby County. You put all those together, none of them are great, and you're just hoping you keep the freezing rain to a minimum, because especially on bare ground, and there is some exposed bare ground on the roads and the interstates where you've picked kind of one lane, those spots will get really slick when you mix in more and more freezing rain. This is all the weather, again, still out to our west that still has to come through. It's snowing heavily all across Oklahoma, snow just west of Dallas. Now, we're not going to change over to widespread snow or anything, but we have moisture coming back in, and we're in an environment how we're stacked up as you go through the layers of the atmosphere. It's warmer 2,000 or 3,000 feet up than it is at the ground right now, and the layer of cold air at the ground is thin enough that it's a good setup for freezing rain along and south of I-40. So that's the concern overnight, because freezing rain is not what you want. That is liquid that's falling. It looks like it's misting outside or raining, and then as soon as it comes in contact with anything on the ground, it freezes, turns into that glaze. It's that sheet of ice. Sleet freezes before it hits the ground, and it's those little ice pellets. Those are good. That actually adds grip. We're kind of seeing all three right now in Storm Tracker 3S. Purple is sleet, blue obviously snow out north and west. Anything in pink is freezing rain. There's a chunk missing in the radar beam. It's been doing it all evening. It'll come around again, should fill in one or the next two times, but you get the idea. There's more and more precipitation around compared to a couple hours ago. It's becoming more prevalent. We're kind of on that dividing line now where we have sleet and some freezing rain around, especially on the east side of the Memphis metro, and as you drift into our far eastern counties around Bolivar, you've got some freezing rain out towards Selmer as well. Morse Chapel, Grand Junction, Middleton, Hickory Valley, you've all had some freezing rain. Let's see if it fills in. It doesn't want to. I don't know. The radar's a little wonky with all the freezing rain and ice going around tonight, but it is out there in spots through a good chunk of North Mississippi and down towards Oxford, Batesville as well. And again, through the nighttime hours, more and more of that will drift back to the north and west. We're not done yet. That's what all that is to say. 16 in Blytheville, 0 your feels like temperature, feels like 3 in Covington. Now tomorrow night, early Monday morning, our actual air temperatures will be in this range, 0, 3, 4, and our feels like temperature, the wind chill early Monday, will be down into the 10 to 15 degree below zero range. So bitterly cold air, dangerous cold air coming in towards the end of the weekend. We get into some freezing rain overnight. I'm hoping it's not prolonged for several hours. At some point early tomorrow morning, we'll transition back to sleet. So our ice totals will be manageable, but even a little bit of ice is still going to be a problem around the city. 1/10 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, it still causes problems with sporadic power outages and slick spots. You're in the middle of a true ice storm down in Oxford, because it's not letting up in terms of freezing rain until this thing is pretty much done late tomorrow morning into early tomorrow afternoon. You'll end eventually and transition to a little bit of sleet, but that's by the end of the storm. We'll get a little snow on the backside of it. Won't be anything much, maybe another inch in a couple locations, but brief heavy snow, and then it's out of here. In terms of ice accumulation, I still think this is way overdone. Again, 1/10 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch. It's more significant down south and east, though. You'll easily get a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of ice, which is a major ice storm. Not catastrophic, but certainly major with widespread power outages. And that's a problem with how cold we're going to be for how long we're going to be cold. All the way through the week, we don't get above freezing here in the city. We may get a couple of spots across North Mississippi, mid-30s on Wednesday, but it's not meaningful enough to cause a drastic improvement, especially in roads that stay in the shade all day. And these are low temperatures. We've got single digits, 4, 12, 12, 11, 8. This is all the way into next weekend. So it's 9 to 10 days that a lot of places will not go back above freezing. You factor in a little bit of wind, 10 below your wind chill Monday morning, and it doesn't really get better than 0 all week long and into next weekend. We got another system potentially late next week with at least a little bit of moisture. Not overly concerned about that right now. So for now, you just got to plan on the really cold air coming back in the second half of next week. There you go, 40. Tuesday, 10 days from now, that's when we finally get a semblance of warm air, but even that is still 10 degrees below average for this time of the year. So buckle up. It's a long haul. Obviously, we've got some issues on the roads. We've had Storm Tracker 3 out on the roads all afternoon, all evening. Meteorologist Max Claypool now. Max, I know we've had kind of this mist around town. Have you seen any of that trying to form on your windshield? And just what are the roads like? Slick spots, no slick spots? What are you seeing so far?